Easy Online Business to Learn for Beginners, John Thornhill, Ambassador Program. Welcome, online entrepreneurs. Today, we're talking about how easy online business to learn for beginners. Stay tuned to the end to learn what this program offers, why you need to start today. Picture this, you, a beginner, navigating the vast sea of online opportunities. Now, imagine a step-by-step guide holding your hand through the process. John Thornhill and his Ambassador Program, your virtual compass in the uncharted waters of online entrepreneurship. So, what's the buzz about this program? Well, it's easy for beginners, over-the-shoulder training videos and step-by-step directions. Zero technology experience required. In this program, you won't be lost in a maze of jargon and tech talk. John breaks it down for you, making it as easy as ordering pizza online. And who doesn't love a straightforward process? No need to be a tech genius, just a desire to learn and a sprinkle of enthusiasm. Now, let's talk about money. Because who doesn't love that? The program teaches you how to turn your passion into cold, hard cash. John Thornhill's Ambassador Program isn't just an opportunity. It is all of the following. On this training, you'll discover the same system John and his students used to generate $23 million plus online, and how to implement this in your business. The 3 big reasons most traditional online business models fail, and the one missing piece of the puzzle the gurus don't want you to know. How to earn up to $3,493 commissions from one single conversion without doing any of the selling. How to use the 3 proven profit levers my students are using to make up to $33,078 a month, even if you've never made a dime online before. How to get high-ticket automated webinars done for you so you can generate sales as an affiliate faster and easier. Plus, how you can join with me and simply plug into my multi-million-dollar business. We have done everything we could to limit the stress and confusion that usually accompanies the online business journey. We also have a 60-day money-back guarantee. You will not need this safety net, but is there if you do. Embarking on an online business journey as a beginner doesn't have to be intimidating. John Thornhill's Ambassador Program offers a supportive and educational environment for individuals looking to learn and thrive in the digital landscape. By combining the expertise of John Thornhill with the structured curriculum, beginners can confidently step into the world of online entrepreneurship, armed with the knowledge needed to succeed, and surrounded by like-minded friends and support. Sign up today and watch the free webinar for more information and how to get started today. All the best. Success. Thank you for watching.